Hold your shirt up, Isaac.
Hold your shirt up so Elmer can lick your belly. Elmer. Right there.
Hold your shirt up.
You gotta hold your shirt up, buddy. Did he get you? Did he get your belly? There you go.
Is that funny, Isaac?
Elmer, you all done?
Yeah, there's more.
More?
Did you lick your hand?
All done? Did Elmer eat it all? Good boy, Elmer. Oh, he likes it. He filled some more.
Is there more? Show Elmer your belly so he can get the peanut butter.
Some on his shirt. Did he get it all? Let's see your belly. Is it all clean? Oh, almost.
Does it tickle?
Good boy, Elmer. Come here. Good dog. All clean.
He's all done.